Take me by the hand, walk me down this boardwalk one last time again. I wanna see those pretty beer lights, hear those carnival sounds. I wanna stop right at the top tonight, where the Ferris wheel goes round. You say that I've been restless, you don't understand. Tomorrow I'll be leaving on that morning train. Gonna leave this candy apple town behind. When we get out, will I still care? Going to New York City with this guitar in my hand, wishing on these stars too long, playing in these bars too long, been holed up in your arms too long, been a prisoner of my heart.